Subscribe to DevzTech. Press the bell icon to get the instant notification. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to transfer WordPress website from local server to a live server. So let's start the video. First you need to install WordPress on a live server. Here I am using 000 Webhost. It's a free server. Let's go to configuration page, then log in. Go to plugins, then add new. Search all-in-one migration, then install it. Follow the same step for Localhost. Activate, then go to all-in migration, click on export. Export to files. It will take some time. Let's speed up the video. Then, download the Localhost file. Then, go to live server and import the localhost downloaded file. Here the maximum upload size is 8 MB, so let's increase the size. Go to plugins, add new plugins. Search, increase maximum upload file size, then install. And activate. Go to settings, then increase maximum upload size. Then, import the files. It takes a few minutes. Now, the Transfer is completed. Let's see the website. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If this video is helpful to you, just hit like, comment on it. And don't forget to subscribe to channel. Press the bell icon to get the latest updates on upcoming videos. Stay safe.